Greetings, Bring a Trailer. David Lee here. I'm going to do a quick cold starting video on my 1960-ish Firestone double-sided sign. Stone cold. Runs on 110. Just like that, she's alive. All original sign. This was at the local Charleston Firestone dealership. It's been in hibernation now for 20 some odd years. Original Duolite, Williamsburg, Ohio. It still has the original ballast in there if you wanted to go back to its original high output bulbs. I did an LED conversion. A couple of small blemishes here. From 5 feet away, you can't see it. This is the not as good of the two sides of this thing, but they're both in incredible shape. No dents or dings or cracks. It's 10 feet long. Guaranteed to make your warehouse look amazing. All right now.